Cheesecake today. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what I am basically doing is cleaning the house, like cleaning the furniture, sweeping, mopping, and just cleaning. So I want to leave cleaning the fridge till when we are restocking for Christmas. We recently just restocked and I cleaned, so I'm going to leave that house. So just cleaning the furniture, the living room, the dining area, and our bedroom. I am also going to like change a bed sheet and fold out some laundries that I just did. So if cleaning is your vibe, let's start today's videos together. And do not forget to click the subscribe button. I'll definitely see you guys again tomorrow. So let's start cleaning now. So it's currently around a few minutes past 10 a.m. So I don't even know where to start from. Yeah, she's known me since I was small. She used to call me our wife. And she's even the one that masterminded this whole thing. But she just wants to say she's sorry for any problem. I was surprised too. That's good. So that's good news. I beg, let there be peace and happiness. Yeah, that's it's happening. We don't catch. So baby, this prayer thing. That prayer thing. When will you talk to them? All this one of I don't know. Which is what else? And I'm the CEO of an international company. Which international company? I'm new again. Which international company? The international company. You will teach a company. What international company? I just changed. I just came to share this news with you people. Not to start any. No, I'm happy that not like I'm opening a church or anything. It's just good news. That I just said let me share. So you give it to the people that need it. Who are the people that need it? That's the people that need it. Who are the people that need it? You know that you need this prayer. That what? How? You need to unlock first and foremost. What is a lock? Look at your people. Let them unlock. What is it? Unlock the people. If you go look at normal human being, maybe it is which change? Can I tell you that to change? So go to go have a just go there and plan myself for sure. Then go ahead. Oh, you want to do this? I'm waiting for some. Son now. Go ahead. I think that really mad. I never, I said, Baba said, I said, let me relax. You leave your work. Oh my dear. Nobody left. Let us take. No, you have to take your food, Joe. You know, wasn't ready in the morning, so I said, let me bring it. Okay, you brought food for me. What time are you coming? This food, I don't understand. I'm still with you. Now, will I bring stove for you? This is everything. I still paid for my hand. Thank you very much. If I don't give you food now, you complain. You don't like the one I'm doing. No, she feels it up now because she knows that. Wait, I brought plenty food because we're fasting tomorrow. We're starting a fast and prayer tomorrow. Okay, so I was saying that I am done with the living room and with the dining. It's almost 12 p.m. I started around, so I've been doing this for like almost 2 hours now. So I just finished cleaning this. It's like it's not like it's an incense burner, but I use it for oil. Then I also cleaned the diffuser. I really like this because it has like this decorative pattern on it, and because it's also white. And I use the other local one for incense with charcoal. So I just want to put in some essential oils in the diffuser because my nose is already blocked from all the dust that I inhaled, and I will find something to eat, and then I will finish up with the bedroom. So I'm going to do lemongrass and peppermint because my nose. I think I remember the last time I did this kind of cleaning alone. My husband is usually around to help, but because today is a weekday and because I'm also filming, so I'm trying to like batch create ahead for Vlogmas. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section and tell me if there's anything you would like to see as I am preparing content for next year already. So I'm going to do this now and warm up some food to eat, and I'll be back.